some much of. So hey guys, today we have this new Xtreme200S from Hero. This is the new bike. From the front it looks so cool, man. It damn and so sexy of this bike. It looks so sexy. So today we'll be looking out the two things of this bike. One is the specifications of this bike and how is the short city ride review. So first we'll be going out this for this engine. This engine is powered by 199.6cc oil-cooled fuel injection engine, which produces 18.4 HP at 8000 rpm and 17.1 Nm at 6500 rpm. It is a 5-speed gearbox. We're seeing out the headlights how it looks. And this is a standard headlight, and this is a dual LED headlights. And we have the standard ABS version in this. This is a single channel ABS. There is no dual channel ABS for this bike. And yeah, the quality of this material is pretty good, and it's like fiber, and the tank is like metal one, and the foot pegs are really hard. They are given the sari guard of this bike, and there are like side stand and middle stand also. And yeah, there is no they are given the kickstart for this bike. Most of the 200cc bike does not have a kickstart, but this bike has a kickstart. And yeah, now we'll be looking out the short city ride of this bike. We'll be doing out a short city ride. Before that, we'll be checking out the instrumental cluster. We have like it shows like average kilometers we run, and the time, and the date, calendar, trip meter, and the gear indicator. And it's like Bluetooth connectivity. First we have to go to this mode, and we have to pair, like we can for long rides this Bluetooth connectivity will be useful. You can see the messages and answer the calls in this bike. And yeah, we'll be looking out the exhaust. First we'll be putting it to neutral. Compared to Xpulse 200 and Xpulse 200T, this bike exhaust sounds somewhat different. You can see some much of bass in this exhaust. And there is no sensor for this. The stand is there, and the engine does not get off. And there is no sensor for this bike. You can see the seating position is much comfortable in this. You can see there is a guard over here. And this bike for 5 I'm like 5.11, so this bike is perfectly comfortable. The people like above 5.3 also, height for them also it will be comfortable. And there is no like nothing like height wise. Only for Xpulse 200 the height is like bit, should be more than 5'6" to get a comfortable. Okay, now we'll be seeing the acceleration of this bike. You can see the brake, how it works, and this ABS works really good in this. The dog came, man. It's like something. The sound, for that sound the dog is attacking. And the look, it's actually looks like a jigsaw from this view. And there are 3 color variants in this. One is the red color, and the black color, and the brown color. We'll see the rear brake, how it performs. You can see the sound and how it performs. Okay, now we'll be, like traffic, we'll be riding in traffic, how it performs. We are rode in city, and there is no heat coming out, because there is a heat guard, so we doesn't feel much heat from this bike. And compared to Xpulse 200T and the Xpulse 200 FI off-roading mission, this Xtreme200S is actually has a bit power of torque and acceleration power compared to those both. And this is the sports version bike, and this is the carburetor one. And this bike gives around like 40 kilometer per liter mileage if we ride this bike in economy level. So I'm riding this bike in economy level, and it's giving like 40 kilometer per liter, sorry. And this bike on road price is like 1,24,000 in Bangalore showrooms. And yeah, this pretty budget bike for a 200cc, which we are paying like 1,24,000, is pretty good budget bike.